Welcome back to our channel, and today is a special day because this is the first time we are exploring out of Bangkok, and I'm going to bring you to Phuket. So over here behind me you can see the whole Phuket city. Phuket is really an international destination where millions of arrivals come in every year. Recently, in the past few years, there has been a lot of interest in investment in this island paradise, and there are many reasons to that. Why? Let me share with you now. Phuket, Thailand's crown jewel of the Andaman Sea. White sand beaches, turquoise waters, luxury villas, fine dining, and a lifestyle that draws millions of international visitors each year. But behind the postcard-perfect scenery, something much bigger is happening. Phuket has quietly become one of Asia's most promising property investment destinations. And if you've ever thought about buying here, now may be the best time you ever have. Let me explain why. Unlike many holiday islands around the world, Phuket is more than a seasonal hotspot. It's a year-round destination with direct flights to dozens of cities across Asia, the Middle East, and even Europe. Families are moving here for international schools, retirees are coming for world-class hospitals, and entrepreneurs are settling in because Phuket offers both connectivity and a slower pace of life. What makes it unique is the balance. You can spend the morning working remotely in a sea view villa, and by the afternoon, you're sailing out to PP Islands or enjoying sundown cocktails at a beach club in Bang Tao. This blend of lifestyle and investment potential is exactly why so many are now calling Phuket not just a place to live, but a place to grow wealth. The property market in Phuket has been moving at an extraordinary pace. After the pandemic slowdown, we've seen a surge of demand in prime areas such as Bang Tao, Kamala, and Nai Han. Villas that once sold for 30 to 35 million baht are now comfortably reaching 50 to 60 million. Condominiums are following the same path. Take the Cassia residences at Laguna, for example. A few years ago, units launched at around 120,000 baht per square meter. Today, they are commanding close to 200,000. Superlight's City Resort project in Phuket Town, once positioned as a mid-market condo, has quietly doubled in resale value thanks to growing demand for urban living near the Smart City Development Zone. And then there's Mont Azur in Kamala, a landmark mixed-use project with branded residences like Twin Palms and Intercontinental Residences. Early investors here are already seeing values soar, driven by the prestige of Millionaire's Mile. Meanwhile, Banyan Tree Residences at Laguna have set a new benchmark for branded luxury condominiums on the island, pulling in ultra-high net worth buyers from across Asia and the Middle East. The story is the same everywhere you look. Limited supply, strong foreign demand, and prices edging higher each year. So why does 2025-2026 feel like the sweet spot to invest? First, Phuket's tourism numbers are not just recovering, they are accelerating. Last year alone, arrivals surged past 10 million, and this year, Phuket's on track to beat pre-pandemic highs. Every tourist arrival is a potential rental, a future buyer, or a long-term resident. Secondly, the government is investing heavily in infrastructure. Expansion plans for Phuket International Airport are already underway to handle greater capacity. Discussions around the long-awaited light rail and smart city projects in Phuket Town are gaining momentum, signaling that the government sees Phuket as more than just a holiday island. They see it as a long-term growth hub. Thirdly, the buyer base is diversifying. Russians remain active, but we are now seeing strong demand from Chinese, Australians, Middle Eastern families, and Europeans who view Phuket as both a safe haven and a lifestyle upgrade. This diversity makes the market more resilient. And finally, the rental market has never been stronger. Villas in Bang Tao and Rawai managed by professional hospitality companies are regularly generating 6 to 10% annual yields. Condos like Cassia or Superlai are attractive for long-stay digital nomads and retirees, creating a dependable rental base. This unique balance of rental income and capital growth is why investors who move now are likely to ride the next wave of appreciation. What makes Phuket different from investing in Bangkok or Pattaya is that here, your return isn't just measured in percentages, it's also measured in lifestyle. Imagine living in a Mont Azur residence in Kamala, where your neighbors are entrepreneurs, celebrities, and international retirees. Your weekends could be spent golfing at Laguna, yachting from one of the many marinas, or dining at Michelin-starred restaurants in Phuket town. For families, international schools like Head Start and UWC Thailand make it practical to relocate. For retirees, the medical infrastructure rivals global standards, with hospitals like Bangkok Hospital Phuket providing international level care. And unlike cities like Hong Kong or Singapore, where space is limited and prices astronomical, Phuket gives you a villa with a pool, sea views, and access to a cosmopolitan lifestyle at a fraction of the cost. But let's be honest, no market is without its challenges. Foreign ownership of villas remains restricted, meaning most investors buy through leasehold structures or company setups. Condominiums are easier with freehold titles, but buyers still need to carefully review quotas and legalities. Market cycles in Phuket are also tied to global travel trends. A slowdown in tourism can temporarily affect rental yields. And in certain areas, oversupply of condos can flatten short-term returns if you don't choose carefully. That said, history shows that well-located, high-quality developments, think Banyan Tree or Mont Azur, always outperform. The key to winning here is picking the right project, the right location, and ensuring proper management for rentals. Right now, a few hotspots and projects are especially worth watching. Bang Tao, home to the Laguna complex, has become the island's luxury nucleus, with Cassia Residences and Banyan Tree setting new benchmarks. Following their successes, a string of new developments have launched in the market. One to watch is Ayana Heights, with its use of innovative construction techniques and materials, as well as offering a bird's eye view of the sea from its hilltop location. For villas, Botanical Grand Avenue offers world-class luxury-grade homes for the successful global citizen, with its blend of outstanding landscape design and quality craftsmanship in its top-of-the-range luxury villas. There are also rare opportunities to enter the market in more tourist-popular beaches like Kata Beach, Caron Beach, and Patong Beach, where new projects are few and far between, almost guaranteeing a queue of rentals when completed. Seoul Origin Kata Beach presents an exceptional opportunity in a highly desirable location. Nestled in the heart of Kata Beach, a renowned surfers paradise, it offers immediate access to a vibrant array of restaurants, bars, and shops. Coupled with its modern facilities and prime beachside proximity, it represents a rare and highly attractive investment option. Hennessy Residences by Art House provides a unique beachfront living experience, offering a choice between spacious condominiums and stunning hilltop villas with panoramic ocean views. Strategically positioned at the gateway to Patong, residents are just a 5-minute drive from the town's famed nightlife and entertainment, combining serene coastal living with effortless access to excitement. Above Patong is set to define a new standard of luxury, creating an exclusive enclave of branded residences on the scenic southern hills of Patong. The inaugural project, the Escort Residences, features 480 exquisite units, each boasting a private pool with breathtaking mountain, sea, or town views. Escort Residences is a cornerstone of a premier mega development, complete with luxury hotels, fine dining restaurants, and exclusive facilities, offering a lifestyle integrated with Phuket's elite social scene. One of the most exciting reasons to invest now is Phuket's upcoming wave of infrastructure upgrades. These projects aren't just about convenience, they directly impact property values and long-term investor confidence. The first is the new Andaman International Airport, planned in Phang Nga, just north of Phuket. Scheduled to open in phases from 2030 onwards, it will eventually handle more than 30 million passengers a year. By easing congestion at Phuket's existing airport, it will open the doors to new direct routes from Europe, China, and the Middle East. That means more tourists, more residents, and ultimately more rentals. Next is the new Phuket Highway Expansion Project, with sections already under construction. Designed to reduce cross-island congestion, this will connect key areas more smoothly, turning what used to be 40-minute commutes into 20-minute drives. For investors, this will expand the range of attractive neighborhoods, particularly in the north and central parts of the island. And perhaps the most anticipated, the Katu-Patong Tunnel Connection, currently slated for completion within the next few years. Anyone who has braved Patong Hill knows the traffic and safety issues. This tunnel will change everything, creating a fast, safe link between Phuket's central zones and Patong, boosting demand not only for beachfront properties but also for residential homes in Katu and nearby areas. When you combine these projects with smart city developments and future-like rail plans, you begin to see the bigger picture. Phuket is upgrading its entire ecosystem, becoming not just a tourist island but a livable, investable, and globally connected hub. The investors who enter now, before these projects are finished, are the ones most likely to enjoy the biggest upside once they open. There's another factor that many investors overlook. Phuket has very real land scarcity. Nearly 70% of the island is classified as protected forest or mountainous terrain, which means it can never be developed. What does that mean for you? It means the supply of buildable land, especially around prime beaches and flat coastal areas, is permanently limited. Unlike other markets where developers can just keep building further out, in Phuket, the usable land is finite. And when you combine this scarcity with rising demand from international buyers, it creates a natural floor under property prices. Every villa plot near Bang Tao or Rawai that gets sold makes the remaining land that much more valuable. For investors, this is as close as you get to a guaranteed upside, because when supply is fixed, prices inevitably rise as demand grows. Looking ahead, Phuket is positioning itself as a global lifestyle hub. International schools are expanding, medical tourism facilities are multiplying, and more luxury hotel brands are setting up branded residences. This isn't just about sun and sand anymore. Phuket is maturing into a sophisticated market, one that combines lifestyle, investment, and global appeal. So why invest in Phuket now? Because the fundamentals have never been stronger. Demand is rising, supply is limited, infrastructure is expanding, and lifestyle appeal is unmatched. Whether your goal is high rental yields, long-term capital gains, or simply a better quality of life, Phuket ticks every box. If this video gave you insight, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. I'll be diving into detailed reviews of individual Phuket projects, rental strategies, and insider tips in upcoming episodes. And if you are interested to know more about the projects that we have mentioned in this video, do reach us at our channels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.